Hello, I wanted to post some instructions. This lab, it's not necessarily a complicated lab, but I want to explain it, what you need to do since you're on your own or you're not in the classroom in group. So you can read, well, sorry, I always start that where I don't have the pencil on. You can read these first paragraphs. Now, what you don't have to do, you don't have to actually build this like on adding machine paper or anything. So this part here, procedure, where it says like cut out the sun and all that, you don't have to do that. Now, if you want to do this, you can totally do this on the sidewalk outside, something like that, but you do not have to do this. All right, you can still answer all of these questions. So procedure B, I would just look at this and kind of just take note of how they found these things. Procedure C, you can still find this, the radius of the planet, and just note the differences, like how big the radius of, Mercury being 2 millimeters on scale versus 57 millimeters, is pretty big. So notice that. You can find this stuff here. You just have to do some multiplication. Same thing, if you're finding some distance, you're finding some diameters. And then there's some questions at the end here. So you don't actually have to measure anything out. Once again, you're more than welcome to. It would be a fun project just to have something to do outside, but you are not required to. You can still answer the questions and compare the size and distances without actually measuring it out.